Hello from Berlin, Germany. As you guys can tell, I'm not currently on my motorcycle. It decided to rain for the last few days, so I'm stuck in my living room doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just haven't had the time, and when the weather's nice, I'm not going to sit in my living room doing this. So, something fun, it's kind of random today. I'm a huge car guy. If you guys haven't followed me on my Instagram account or just watched some of my YouTube videos, I love cars, and I've been lucky enough to work in the automotive industry for the majority of my advertising career so far. And one of my current clients right now is Mercedes-Benz, which is amazing because I have such an affinity to the Mercedes-Benz brand. I grew up with them, running around dealerships and all of that. Well, when part of this job that I have now, I go and visit the Mercedes-Benz markets for each one of the countries in Europe and talk to them about social media and things like that. Well, I was in Denmark a few months ago, and they are obviously the land of Legos and all of that. They had a very special edition Lego set that I flipped out when I saw, and I bought 3 of the same sets just because. I haven't bought a Lego set in probably, 15 years, but this one was so cool that I wanted to buy it, and I wanted to build it for you guys, and hopefully you're cool that I'm just going to make car noises as I build this. It shouldn't take long to build, it's not like super complicated, but I'm going to grab it. Super excited. The Mercedes-AMG GT3 Lego set with that beautiful yellow line, yellow rims. I think they did such a good job with this. I'm going to build this for you guys, and hopefully you find it somewhat amusing. Cool. Besides that, for the future, hopefully the sun comes out tomorrow. I am planning, we're going on a ride with a few people tomorrow, so that's cool. I have another video coming out with a friend of mine. We went to this giant dam levee thing a few days ago, which was really cool. And I am going to start talking more and more about my Yamaha MT-07. I'm just about at 1,500 kilometers, so like 1,000 miles. And I think the bike's broken in, that's for sure. But I think I have some thoughts on what makes that bike really cool, what are some of the things that I don't like about the bike, and I'm definitely going to upgrade. Just a whole bunch of fun things that I'm going to talk about that bike. Hopefully the sun stays out a few more weeks or months into the year, and yeah, we get more opportunity to go ride it. Okay, so let's start building this really fucking cool Lego set. Cool.